Good morning, class.
Good morning.
Okay, so today we're going to be going over the 11 organ systems of the body. Now, everyone come to the board and tell me about 3 systems that you know. I'll take care of 2.
All right. 3 organ systems are the reproductive, the respiratory, and the cardiovascular. The reproductive and the several organs in the female reproductive system are the fallopian tubes, the ovaries, and the uterus. And in the male, it's the penis, the prostate, and the testes. It's supposed to produce offspring. Respiratory is the lungs and the airway, and it provides the blood with oxygen and gets rid of carbon dioxide. COVID affects the respiratory system by causing people to develop the acute respiratory distress syndrome, which can cause respiratory failure. And the cardiovascular is made of the heart and the lungs, and it's the blood vessels transport the blood that's filled with oxygen, carbon dioxide, and nutrients to the heart, which pumps it out through the body. And COVID affects the cardiovascular system by causing decrease in heart function due to an inflammatory response and the infection going to the heart.
So the 3 organ systems that I did are the urinary system, the endocrine system, and the lymphatic system. For the urinary system, its main role is eliminating nitrogenous waste from the body. It's also responsible in regulating water, electrolytes, and acid-base concentration. A couple of organs in this system include the urinary bladder, the urethra, and the kidneys. The endocrine system contains glands that are responsible for regulating growth, reproduction, and nutrient use in the body. Organs within this system include the adrenal gland, the pituitary gland, and the thyroid gland. The lymphatic/immune system mounts the attack against foreign substances in the body. It is the innate immune response is the first line of defense for the human body. And if a virus were to come into contact with the human body, such as COVID-19, the lymph nodes would actually begin to enlarge, which is a sign of early infection, and macrophages will begin to become produced outside of the lymph nodes and attack this foreign substance.
All right, I had integumentary, muscular, and digestive. The muscular system is the predominant function is contractibility. It allows for locomotion, maintains posture, and pumps blood through the body. The 3 tissues are smooth, cardiac, and skeletal. The digestive system has 3 major functions: digestion, absorption, and excretion. It breaks down food into absorbable units our bodies can use, then converting it into energy. Some organs are the esophagus, stomach, large intestine, small intestine. For integumentary, it is the outside layer of the human body. It acts as a physical barrier between the external and internal environment. 3 components within the integumentary system is hair, skin, and nails.
My 2 systems are the skeletal system and the nervous system. For the skeletal system, it basically supports the body, protects the internal organs, and releases and stores fats and minerals. The skeletal system is composed of 2 different components, the axle and the appendicular. For adults, there are 206 bones. For children, there's 270 bones. This can consist of the mandible, the vertebrae, the cranial, and even the rib cage. Next, we have the nervous system. 3 functions of the nervous system includes controlling, communicating, and regulation throughout the whole human body. The nervous system is in charge of 3 central mental activities, which include thinking, learning, and even your memory. 3 structures of the nervous system include your spinal cord, your brain, and all the nerves in your body. Hey, why aren't you wearing a mask? Here goes the mask right here. Are you vaccinated?
No.
Being vaccinated helps prevent COVID-19. You have a less risk of getting the disease. You might get it, but the symptoms may not be as bad. Get vaccinated. Keep your mask on.
I will.